Today, we are diving into a product that's been creating quite a buzz in the skincare world. It's none other than the Medicube Booster Pro device. If you are into K-beauty or if you want to upgrade your skincare routine with a high-tech device, stick around because this might be a game changer you have been looking for. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am spilling all the tea on how to use it, when to use it and why do you need this device in your life. So let's grab a sheet mask and dive in. So what exactly is a Booster Pro? It's a skincare device. This was designed to boost the efficiency of your skincare products using advanced technology. Medicube claims it enhances absorption by delivering microcurrents therapy and EMS electric muscle stimulation directly into your skin. The device itself is so sleek, compact and it's travel friendly and it feels like you're having a luxury salon in your handbag. So the idea behind this device is to temporarily open your skincare barrier and it passes microwave currents into your skin. So the serums, essence and the moisturizers you apply will easily penetrate deeply into your skin. And it also has 3 intensive levels, low, medium and high, which you can customize your treatment based on your skincare needs. So if you are new to this technology, I recommend you guys to start in the low mode and you can gradually increase according to your skin. So I'll show you how to incorporate this product into your skincare routine. So first cleanse thoroughly and tone your face and then apply any serum you have at your home. So with this device, you can turn on the Booster Pro mode and you can glide it upwards along the jawline, cheeks or foreheads. And you will notice a visible improvement in how hydrated and foam your skin looks, and the product will absorb so much better and your skin will feel so much glow after using this. So if you are serious about elevating your skincare game, this Medicube device is worth purchasing. You can pair up with any of your serum you have with you, and I am planning to do a short video on how to use different kinds of serums with the combination. So if you guys are interested, please let me know in the comments. I mainly use this device for the hydration and skin texture improvement. I notice a lot of hydration in my skin after using this device and I feel so happy that I bought this device for my skin. This beauty is viral all over the internet. It has 4 modes and it's a 6-in-1 Pro skincare tool. I'll break down each mode for you. So the first one is the booster mode. You can use this every day. It will boost your product absorption into your skin. So all those expensive serums you are getting, it will worth your money. You can use this twice a day for 2 to 3 minutes. And the second mode is the microcurrent mode. In this, it will help your facial muscles, gives you a natural lifted look and you will basically get snatched without hitting the gym. You can use this mode for 3 to 4 times in a week. So focus on the areas like the jawlines, cheek for that all contour look. So the next mode is the derma short mode. This mode particularly targets on fine lines, wrinkles and it also stimulates collagen production, making your skin so bouncy and smooth. So you can use this mode for like 2 to 3 times a day. So if you have any big event, you can just use this device and you will just glow in the event. So the fourth mode is the air shot mode. So this is the pore shrinker mode. It minimizes pores and even out skin texture. This mode is perfect for all those oily and acne prone babies. You can use this for like 2 to 3 times a week and focus on the T-zone where you have all the pores appears. Now this is super easy to use. Just press the power button and choose the mode and you are just ready to glow. So let me know in the comments, have you ever used this Booster Pro device, or if you have any questions regarding this, I am just here to answer. You can just download the app on the App Store and you can track the process on how your skin behaves in the app. So how cool is this? Really Koreans or in the 2050s. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and share this with your friends. So if you want to purchase this product, I'll just leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. So until next time, keep glowing, keep slaying. Bye.